The 2025 Haval H5 will be officially unveiled on March 13. As an annual facelift model, the new car will provide a black-painted appearance kit and will be optimized and upgraded in terms of configuration. In terms of appearance, the new car basically continues the design style of the current model. The front grille, roof rack, window frame trim, rims, etc. are all painted black, giving the overall performance a more powerful feel. The interior continues the layout of the current model, and there are still a full LCD instrument panel, a floating central control screen, and a large number of physical buttons in the area under the air conditioning outlet. Automatic air conditioning, electric tailgate, front and rear head airbags, heated exterior mirrors, rear axle mechanical differential lock, and L2 driving assistance system are expected to be added. In terms of power, the new car will again feature 2.0T high and low-power gasoline engines and 2.0T diesel engines. The maximum power of the 2.0T gasoline engine is 165 kilowatts and 145 kilowatts respectively, and there are two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive versions. The maximum power of the 2.0T diesel engine is 122 kilowatts and is only available with the four-wheel drive version. On the transmission side, it is paired with a 6-speed manual or 8-speed manual automatic transmission, and the four-wheel drive version has low-speed four-wheel drive and high-speed four-wheel drive modes.